Hey guys, so here we have Inspiron. I think the model number it's fairly low end. It's Inspiron 3646. And this device, I opened it up because it gave me an error that the fan was not working. And clearly the CPU fan stopped working. So I ended up buying one on Amazon and I'll be installing that. So very easy on this device to take the case off here. It's just two screws in the back over here that I already took off. That you can see right here. And then once you do that, then you can easily pop this guy off. So we'll do that. And let me lay down the machine here. And you can see what the CPU fan looks like. It's right over here. I already took two screws off here on this side, so that's why they're missing, but you would have four. And then if I unplug the drive here, it'll make it easier to get to those other screws. So that's what it looks like. You can buy these directly from Dell. You can also buy them from Amazon. The interesting thing about these Dells is that they're 4-pin. So most of the ones you can find on Amazon are either going to be a 2-pin or a 3-pin. The 4-pin is a little bit harder to find, but Amazon does carry it. If you put in the exact model of this fan, then you can find it more easily, because it took me a while to find it. And these unscrew like this here. The one also interesting thing about these is that the heatsink itself does not have specific slots for them. So once I take this off, you'll see how it looks like it's between the heatsink grills, which is kind of interesting. So we take this off, and then you can see how there's marks here, and they just simply go there and there. The other thing is the original one was placed like this, and this means that this one is actually pushing air into the CPU. So I'm going to install it the same way. If you go online, some people say it should be the other way so that it draws out the heat from the heatsink. Since this one was placed like this, I'll just do the same thing. But it's a fairly easy fix. These cost anywhere from like $10 to $20, I believe, maybe even a little bit less. But I'll just install this back in here, plug it in, and then it should just work. All right, so I put the first screws in, and you can see they're in there. Doesn't move. Seems like it's in good shape. I'll plug it back in here. All right, and then I'll just plug in the CD drive if yours has one back in, and then we should be ready to go. All right, I hope that was useful. Thank you.